Alright, go ahead. Hey, this is your boy Fresh Kills, 2X Swag, me in the mall. Hey, y'all turn around, say it to the camera, DJ, turn around to the camera, bro. Get him. DJ,
No Croman, new shirt.
Alright, basically, this is the thing, bro. Shut up, man. Shut up. Alright, this basically we're doing some swag like this. Alright? We're gonna do the funny we are like Okay, Eddie, you want to tell me what that is?
That shit looks like a giant dragon, bro. Crazy.
I mean, whales. Shout out to whales.
Shout out to the whales.
Shout out to the whale box.
Shout out to the whales. Y'all better not eat all my whales.
Shout out to the whale box.
Yeah. No, we won't.
Shout out to the whale box.
Whale box.
Whale box, nigga.
Y'all some fat ass motherfuckers. Y'all some fat ass motherfuckers.
You know what's funny? You know what's funny? When he walked out there, and you were sitting there in the chair going, "Oh yeah," away right behind you.
You put him all in the document and threw him away.
I mean, he just went right behind you.
all away.
He's a trash can. He just walked around. Blue.
He's finding something to stab you. My eyes were closed. He's finding something to stab you with.
Dude, I mean, you could have saved them.
Nigga, I will stab you with a spoon. See this shit?
Hey, I said, no, it's cock. Bitch. Hey.
Oh shit.
Look.
I had another spoon. I gave myself another spoon.
Hey, look.
Really?
Oh, this is another sign.
Oh, it might be locked.
I'm like, okay.
Hey! The hell is he?
They're just whales.
I haven't had whales in 5 years. Okay.
Too bad I got to have one before it ended.
What do you think about this?
Huh?
What's your opinion on this?
Two whole minutes.
Man, it's just whales.
It was free whales.
Hit me in the back.
Free whales.
I can't feel my back.
Take the free whales.
I'll crack it right now. Hold on. We're going to go to a quick commercial break, guys.
Bankruptcy, cause I got too much swag, ho. Swag, I said, I cook, I look, I took.